Salicylic acid versus benzoyl peroxide. Main effective action. Salicylic acid helps to remove the buildup of dead skin cells that can clog pores, which eventually leads to a pimple or blackhead. While benzoyl peroxide will kill any bacteria that is also a culprit at creating breakouts. Effect on skin oils. Salicylic acid dries out excess oils, sebum, in your pores. However, it could remove too much oil, making your face unusually dry. Benzoyl peroxide is more drying than salicylic acid, so it can lead to more severe irritation. Which type of acne it is best suited for? Salicylic acid can dissolve pore blockages and smooth out the skin, making it a good choice for blackheads and closed comedones. If your skin has a rough, bumpy texture without many red pimples, you've most likely got comedonal acne, making salicylic acid a good choice for you. Because benzoyl peroxide is a great bacteria reducer, it is especially good if your acne is red and inflamed. Got lots of papules and pustules, basically, your typical zits and whiteheads? Benzoyl peroxide is a great treatment choice. Best way to use it. Your treatment plan could very well include both salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide at the same time. However, applying both products on the same area of skin, even at different times of day, can increase your risk for excessive drying, redness, and peeling. A safer approach is to use both ingredients for different types of acne. For example, salicylic acid may be a good all-over method to treat and prevent breakouts, while benzoyl peroxide may be applied as a spot treatment only. Advantages. Salicylic acid exfoliates skin and removes dead skin cells. Derived from willow bark, it soothes skin and calms inflammation. It also reduces pore size. Benzoyl peroxide kills bacteria, works quickly, as soon as 5 days. As an added bonus, benzoyl peroxide prevents antibiotic resistance. Disadvantages. It may take a while, up to 4 weeks, for salicylic acid to work. It can also cause dryness, peeling, and redness. Benzoyl peroxide can bleach fabric. In some cases, benzoyl peroxide can cause post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, aka dark spots. Efficacy rating. People usually tolerate salicylic acid well, but unfortunately, it has limited efficacy for treating acne. Benzoyl peroxide has an A rating for recommendations, while salicylic acid only has a B. Typical concentration of OTC medications. Topical dosages for salicylic acid creams, washes, astringents, and other OTC products usually contain concentrations between 0.5 and 5%. When selecting a benzoyl peroxide product, you may want to start with a 2.5% concentration, as it causes less drying and irritation, and then move to a 5% concentration if you see minimal results after 6 weeks. If you aren't seeing results after 6 weeks, you may move up to a 10% concentration. How often to use? Salicylic acid may be used morning and night. Because it's gentler than benzoyl peroxide, it may also be applied as a midday spot treatment. If you're new to benzoyl peroxide, start with once a day only. Gradually work your way up to morning and night applications. For recommended products and download this comparison PDF, click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please click like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.